Yo, it's your boy EVsmokeATX, Big Texas. Coming today here, I got some parts, or part that I've been had it. Just not getting a chance to put it on today because I was busy and so on. But getting ready for the race season. I want you to check out some of my part here. One of my parts to help. Hopefully, it'll make me go faster some. So check it out here and come follow me as I open it up. I haven't unboxed it or anything, and I'm finna put it on, and you'll be surprised how much weight it may save me. You know, weight reduction, baby. May get some more instant power, torque, horsepower. You never know. But yeah, come on with me right quick. Let me grab it over here. So it's in this little box here. I haven't opened it up yet. So about to bust it open now, let you see what it is, and come with me as I install it right quick. It won't take that long. Let's see here. Hope everyone's doing fine and having a good time, you know. Can't wait for race time about to fire up. Weather's still been a little trippy. It's nice and sunny. The sun's setting right now today. It's been nice out here today. I don't know how it is where you at though, you know, but hey, all what's going on, you know, still be safe out there. Be awareness. Check out that video I was talking about that, certain situations that I did encounter when I was out. And then we had that mass shooting the next day, and that kind of was crazy. So check that video out as well when you can. But yeah, so let's see what it is here. Yeah. Weight reduction. Horsepower probably. Let's see. Open my little knife back up. I've been busy doing my thing, being consistent with it. Bam. Let's see. There it is. Let's finna install this carbon fiber tee for the regular stock factory one. As you know, these come. This one was my rep guys at one time. I think they had dyed it, painted it, whatever. Because a little story, you know, for the ones that don't know, when Tesla started doing the Plaids, or early Gen 121s and so on, that's when they did the trimming around the car used to be chrome. It started being black, which was good because like for example, White Ghost 2013, it had all that chrome. It had a chrome delete done. It's a thing we call chrome delete. Well, everything basically chrome, we turn it black, you know, because that's kind of, you know, chrome is kind of, it's like a thing in the past, you know. But so they had to study chrome. They had it black, but for some reason they left this chrome in the if I'm not mistaken, the T on the back trunk lid at the time, it was on chrome as well, which and then the chrome badge, if you had to, you know, you had a certain time to get the plaid badge at the time when they first released. Then they started doing the regular plaid rolled out with chrome. So that was chrome, but my guys, they dyed it black, and you know. But I've been having this for a while. Honestly, I'm just not getting a chance to put it on. But this is carbon fiber there. So check me out right quick. It won't take that long to put it on right quick, but that's that carbon fiber weight reduction. So yeah, let's throw it on right quick. While I run my mouth a little bit. So let's see. Let's let the hood up there. Smoke. Okay. There we go. We got, like, I think it's like a T something. It's two T bolts. Let's see. I think it's T25. Yeah, T25. got two of them there holding it, that T25. So wrong. Got the wrong one. Hold on, bear with me. I'll be right back. I got the wrong ratchet. Hold on. Alrighty, so I had to get a 1/2 inch, you know, cause it's smaller. So I had to, sorry about that. I was trying to do this just straight record and go. But you know, things don't work out always in our favor all the time. But yeah, so can't wait for race season to get going here. We getting everything right. Checking the diode on Smoke. Making sure he's up to par. This should give me some more horsepower. So there you go. Carbon fiber T. T for more torque, hopefully. More torque, more horsepower. Carbon fiber, saving some weight. So yeah, we doing a little more, getting a little more things in tune. Like I said, we're doing a little weight reduction. Got my scale, got my wireless scales that I gotta do later on. Put the car on the scales and try and test some things out. But so stay tuned. Catch us at the track. And look at that. Look at that. That looks actually dope. Look at that. Look at that. Just wanted to do that quick little demonstration there. Quick little replacing that T with the carbon fiber. And this is going to be also on my I have a Amazon storefront. So if you're interested in getting one of these or so on for your Teslas, different accessorize and things like that for them. So definitely check out my Amazon storefront link there. It's your boy EV Smoke. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more. We got to get it going. Peace. Look at that T. Carbon fiber. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell.